So check it out, made it to Hoi An, and this is a beautiful little city. It's more of a town really, but if you look at the lanterns, they're amazing. So check this out. So these here are the famous lanterns of Hoi An. There's a lantern festival here. I'm not sure exactly when it is. I think there's one coming up, but I'm gonna miss it. But they release lanterns up into the sky. Apparently that's amazing to go to. But even if you just come here at any time, there's all little lanterns along the streets. The old town here is really nice. And I filmed another video here, so you can check that one out. Just a little bit of interesting stuff. I think we drove from Da Nang to Hoi An in that video, and also saw Marble Mountain, which was beautiful. So I've been here the last few days. I just decided to get a place for 3 nights, relax, enjoy myself, catch up on a bit of work while I was here. And yeah, I think the motorbike trip, we were going for 10 days or so, and that's quite draining. After a while, you just need to unwind a bit. So that's what I'm doing here. Kyle actually left yesterday to go to Da Nang because he wanted to spend some time there. I enjoyed Da Nang, but I was having more fun here, so I decided to stick around, met some cool people here. And because the World Cup is on, there have been games playing at all these bars and restaurants, and I've been watching a few games here and there, catching up with all that. So it's a pretty good vibe out here at the moment. There's also a cool little market here with lots of random trinkets and clothes, wallets, food. Ooh, these banana pancakes are really good. Look at that. I had one of those before. Amazing. Delicious.
Banana pancake.
Ooh, pancakes. Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Doing YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
How are you too?
What's your name?
My name is Juan. Yeah.
He has the best pancakes in town. So that's a little look at Hoi An. Check out the other video I made in Hoi An before for some different scenes of the city, but it's a great spot to come visit. It is probably the most popular tourist destination in Vietnam for good reason. That's why I decided to stay here a few nights. Kyle actually left this morning to Da Nang because he likes Da Nang and wants to spend some more time there. So I'm going to drive tomorrow and catch up with him in Da Nang. And then we're going to do a motorbike ride from Da Nang along this really awesome road, which you'll see in the next and final video of this road trip series. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And stay tuned for the last video of the Vietnam road trip. And then more videos about teaching English when I'm back in Saigon. We've got some exciting things planned for back in the city. So speak to you soon. Peace.